Hi guys, so with this video I want to introduce a new opportunity for everyone, and this is the first time we do this, right? So NinjaCoding now is becoming a place where you can host your own stuff, right? Your own products, your own ideas. And our friend Weston here is going to present his strategy that he passed Apex evaluation with, and he actually did it a few times already with this strategy. So this is a fully functional product that has been tested on Apex and has proven to actually pass evaluations. Okay, I'm not going to be the one presenting this, so I'm just holding this small open speech. So just proceed to the next video where he's going to tell you everything about the strategy and how it works, and then you can go and actually rent the strategy and try it yourself. Inside the member area, you'll also find more instructional videos on how to run the strategy more efficiently. Enjoy, guys.
Hello guys and welcome. This is going to be a short introduction to the Daily Fib Trader. Here you can see I have an MNQ chart loaded up on December 6th. It did $331 in net profit that day with the Daily Fib Trader running. So you can see all the various trades that it took here. And on MES, same day here, did $121 in net profit. You can see the different trades that it took. So between the two instruments for the day, it did about $450 of profit. So this strategy, it was designed for passing the Apex evaluation accounts, getting funded and start making real money with Apex. You can see on the MNQ 30-day results, it did a profit of $7,300 and has a profit factor of 2.56, and the drawdown was only $682 during that period. Percent profitable was 67%, with the average winning trade higher than the average losing trade. You can see all the trades and the equity curve here. That looks phenomenal. MES 30-day results, $4,500 and profit factor of 2.75, with percent profitable was 67%. Average winning trade is higher than the average losing trade here. So between the two instruments there, that's just shy of $12,000. That could have qualified a 50K account. It could have qualified all the way up to a 150K account in that time frame, 30 days. You can see the trades here that it took with MES. So let's talk about how it takes these trades and why. So you saw the trades on MNQ for December 6th. What it's doing is looking at the session before, the day before, a day prior to that. So here you have December 5th loaded on the chart on the screen here, and it takes 2 times inputted by the user. So in this example, I have a start time of 9:45 and an end time of 21:45. Now, in between those times, it will look for the session low and the session high. Once it's found those, it's going to draw the Fibonacci retracement levels, which everyone knows that these levels are like magnets for the price action. They serve as strong support and resistance. So you can see all day it was kind of bouncing between these levels and hitting here, broke out, stopped right at this 61.8, and then kept on going up. So after this is drawn for December 5th, when you're ready to trade on December 6th, you have the grid system set up. So you can see it's going to take a short here with the moving average indicating to go short. It will scale in, and then you'll be able to get out with a small profit here and then reposition. Once it breaks this Fibonacci level here, you're going to be able to go short, and then you get your profit. Get to go short again, another profit. Short here, profit. This trade here looks like you have to scale in, then you get out with a small profit here, reposition, and make another profit. So these times, 9:45 to 21:45, they can be altered by the user to any time that you would like for the prior session. And then it draws the Fibonacci levels, and then it trades based off of those levels and based off of filters that are inputted by the user, and with the moving average indicating which direction to go. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the Daily Fib Trader and let it start working for you for building the Apex evaluation accounts. Okay guys, enjoy.